Hey guys, so you might not be able to fold your Samsung Galaxy next month after all. Before we get into the video, please make sure to subscribe my channel and stay updated with the latest tech videos. Okay, so we might not be seeing Samsung's Galaxy Fold until after June. The $1,980 Galaxy Fold were originally meant to come out April 26, but Samsung delayed it after some review units suffered screen breakage, flickering and bulges underneath the screens. Korean Telecom said it seems to be time consuming to stabilize the quality of parts including film and display parts. The Korean electronics company found that addressing the foldable phone's defects has been slower than expected. The release schedule has not been decided, and we are in a position to announce the launch schedule in a few weeks. Samsung also said Huawei's problems with the US sanctions may take the pressure off Samsung. The Chinese phone market would not be able to launch its foldable Mate X in July. So what are you thinking? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and I will catch you guys in the next ones. Peace out.